Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make money on TikTok, 5 best ways. So make sure to watch the full video. Have you ever fantasized about getting paid the big bucks to goof around on your phone all day? It seems like that's exactly what happens when you figure out how to monetize TikTok. We see it every day. There are tons of influencers who are making millions of dollars a year through their TikTok accounts. And that's no mystery. TikTok has grown incredibly fast since its debut in 2016. It's the first app not owned by Facebook to hit 3 billion installs. While monetizing your TikTok account isn't an easy task to accomplish, it's absolutely achievable if you have the dedication, strategy, and willingness to learn how it's done. In this video, we're going to look at 5 ways to start making money on TikTok. Let's do this. 1. Become a TikTok influencer. You know the saying, build it and they will come. This concept applies to TikTok too. If you build an account with a loyal and engaged following, you'll be able to score influencer partnerships with brands all over the world that want to connect with your audience. In an influencer marketing arrangement, a brand will ask you to promote their products or services in your TikTok videos. The most common type of payment is money or free stuff from the company. For example, Charli D'Amelio, one of the biggest TikTokers out there, is an influencer for P&G, one of the biggest brands out there. 2. Grow and sell TikTok accounts. Many businesses would like to have a presence on TikTok, but don't have the time or resources to create and grow an account. Why not offer them a fast track to TikTok growth? You can do this by growing and selling TikTok accounts. For some time now, people have built social media accounts and sold them to make money. For instance, 23-year-old Rami Halon makes around $30,000 annually using this TikTok monetization strategy. To successfully sell TikTok accounts, you need more than just an attractive range of videos on your account. You'll also need a specific focus and a dedicated following. Themed or niche accounts are easier to sell because the buyer can continue creating the same kind of content after the purchase to maintain followers. For example, if you sell an account that features short videos related to unboxing, the brand you sell to can continue posting the same type of videos in the future. Personal accounts are much harder to sell because followers may be drawn to the person rather than the style of content. When flipping TikTok accounts, you'll need to build a strong content strategy, engage with followers regularly, and give buyers advice on how to get further engagement on their newly bought account. 3. Publish sponsored posts. Another way to monetize your TikTok account is through sponsored content. This is when brands approach you or you approach them to feature their offerings in your video. In return, they pay you a fee to compensate for your service. You can start by working with smaller brands to build up your portfolio. Reach out to local businesses in your area to see if they'd be interested in getting featured on TikTok. It might be a good idea to charge a minimum fee in the beginning. Then work your way up once you start gaining recognition as a TikTok creator. But if you'd rather charge high and have brands come to you, consider joining the TikTok Creator Marketplace, TCM. For those unfamiliar, TCM is a collaboration platform that allows brands to connect and run marketing campaigns with TikTokers. However, you need to have over 100,000 followers, be at least 18 years old, and receive over 100,000 video likes in the past 28 days to apply. So if you're a new creator, it's best to focus on making creative TikTok videos that you can share with brands to get some sponsorships. 4. Sell your own products. If you're from the US, Canada, or the UK and have a TikTok for Business account, you might be able to add a shopping tab and product links to your profile. The shopping tab is basically a new feature resulting from TikTok's partnership with Shopify. It's designed to help TikTokers with a Shopify store promote their products through the app. Users who click a product link are redirected to the merchant's Shopify store for purchase. 5. Collect donations. TikTok has an interesting feature called coins. If you're eligible to live stream, you can collect these coins from your most dedicated and adoring followers. Then you can eventually exchange them for cash. Here's how it works. Say that your biggest fan purchases coins, which start at $1.39 for 100 coins. and goes up to increments of $139.99 for 1,000 coins. If you're live streaming, that user can send you coins or use those coins to buy you gifts. You can then turn coins and gifts into diamonds, then convert diamonds into cash using PayPal. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.